Want to predict a difficult airway in a patient-required tracheal intubation, use a mnemonic, lemon. In a mnemonic, lemon. L stand for look externally, facial trauma, beard, obesity, small jaw, anything that screams difficult airway. Second word. E stand for evaluate 3-3-2 rule. 3 fingers mouth opening, 3 fingers mandible length, 2 fingers thyroid to mouth. Third word. M stand for Mallampati grade. It has 4 grades. Grade 1 and 2 consider to be easy, while 3rd and 4th look to be difficult. The less you see, the more you panic. Fourth word is O stand for obstruction, swelling, foreign body, infection, tumors, anything blocking the path. Last word. N stand for neck mobility, limited movement, be prepare yourself for a tough intubation. That's Lemon, your 5-step airway safety check. Simple, fast, life-saving. At the end, don't forget to follow, like, and share.